What is up, ladies and gentlemen? How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's doing well. I'm back at the house. I stopped by and a friend of a friend had a bunch of old mining stuff, and they were like, man, I'm gonna throw it away, you know, make me an offer. And it's always funny because it's like, you're gonna throw it away, that's zero money, so that means basically any offer gets it. And I was like, I came and look at it, you know, threw him a couple bucks here and there. There's a couple other things he didn't want to sell, but I did end up buying. That'll be for another video. But this was the bulk of his extras that he was just tired of dealing with. So I figured I'd dump it out. We can go through it together, see what's good, see what's bad, go from there. All right, so I just dumped everything out, and it looks like there's tons of these like PDU cables, a bunch of these short ones. Not necessarily super useful, but I guess they could be used for something if the PDU is close to the power supplies. So I guess we'll throw those to the side. More PDU cables. That's yeah, another PDU cable. I wish those were all like regular, you know, power cables. That would have been a lot more useful, but I guess he was running all his stuff off of PDUs. More PDU cables. Obviously, you guys can see there's a bunch of like 6-pin stuff in here. He said he thinks he got most of these like yellow and black ones from Parallel Miner. And I'm like, well, that's pretty good because they had some of the decent ones. Let's see here. Ooh, I see an actual power plug right there. Power cable. Oh no, maybe that's just that's another PDU cable. Never mind. False alarm. So yeah, lots of PDU cables, some 6-pins. Oh yeah, there's a server power supply buried down in here. Little 750 watt, the breakout board. Risers, looks like U-bit version 009C risers. Oh, some different risers over here. That's version 103E. Ooh, this looks like an old one. Version 7. So all kinds of risers mixed in with here. Another version 10. I might just I don't know. On the website, I had been designating them as like, if it's a Molex riser and you can only plug Molex into it and you can't plug 6-pin, then it's, you know, obviously less valuable than a riser you can plug a 6-pin into. That's kind of how I was separating them. I think I'm gonna probably still keep it up like that, and then it's random like what kind of riser you'll get. But I'm definitely gonna do a sale on them because I have way too many risers chilling at the shop. There's just boxes of them. I don't even know where to put all these risers at. Looks like it's all the little bits and bobs. What is that? Oh, look at that. Okay, hold on. So it's got a PDU plug, but instead of it going straight into a power supply, it is a female end. Then you can plug a regular power cable into. So yay, we did get some power cables. So I'll set that over there to the side. And it's kind of a peculiar PDU plug. I apologize. Some people are like, it's always a Brandon Coin video if there's a notification in the background. I have no idea what these are worth, but that's pretty cool. So you can reuse some of your old plugs. Oh yeah, we had this big funky power supply. I used to have one of these like years and years ago. Yeah, he got his from Parallel Miner too. Look how the positive and negatives hook up. Super sketchy. But this is an 1100 watt unit. And yeah, I believe it does. I don't know if this one does 1100 watts at 110 or not, but yeah, that's old Big Mama right there. I guess I'll just leave the cords on that and sell that as a whole. Random power adapter. Let's see, what's the output on this? 22 volts. That's a random output. I'm on the lookout for oh, that's a drill charger of some sort. Okay. A little bit of good with the bad. Oh, look at this. Got a little baby Noctua. That's pretty cool. What else is in here? Micro SD charger. There's just some kind of old, looks like it, maybe Intel cooler of some sort. Oh, brand new in the packaging. That's SATA. It's a 6-pin. Don't know why anybody would ever buy this. Do not try your hardest not to run PCIe power through SATA. That's a no-no. That's bad. Double 6-pin to PCIe 6+2. I mean, there's not much in here that's like worth really much of anything. All of this stuff is going to be like $1 or $2. Ethernet cables, I'm probably just going to throw those in a box. So I got them at the shop. That server power supply is worth a little bit. I think I got them for like 15 bucks on my website. They sell pretty good. Ooh, we got another power cable? Yes. Yay. That's good. So 2 power cables so far. Looks like a proprietary CPU plug for a some kind of power supply. That is going to be going into the trash, because that plugged into the wrong power supply will damage things, and we don't need to be damaging stuff. So here, I'm going to throw all the risers and associated bits in that box. I think that's about everything. Oh, a fan. Oh, very nice. These are I call these the giblets for the risers. Because nobody else, I don't really know the correct term for them. But those are the giblets. Oh, we got another. This is a version 6C. That's an older one. USB cable. Oh, another Ethernet. Yeah, so not really anything too interesting. Oh, no way. Look at this. Hold on. That is a, like, I don't even remember what kind of USB that is, but famously used for printers, and they never include them with the printer. So always good to have one of these guys laying around, because it's so, like, I don't want to say, I mean, old. I guess it is old, but it's a standard that's still being used on a lot of printers. But it's just one of those plugs that I don't have a lot of these cables laying around. So have a ton of type C, you know, obviously ton of micro, but not a lot of these. I don't think they're like type A. I don't remember what they are, but printer type, whatever that means. All these are going into there. This could be like a ASMR wires video, you know? No, probably not. Oh, another power cord. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, no, that's not a power cord. That is a PCIe, or sorry, a PDU. Here's a power cord. Yay. Power cords are always a good thing to have on hand. All right, let's unplug the power out of this riser. If I can get it out of there. There we go. Sometimes it's nice to just sit down, relax a little bit, look at some cables. Definitely not my typical video, that's for sure, but you know what? Changing it up every now and then never hurts. What is this guy? USB extension. Okay, that's cool. These things are like horrible depending on what you use them with, because like you get loss of voltage over length. So if you already have a long USB cable and then you extend it, and it could do wonky things. Kind of cool to have for certain applications though. Certain things just won't work. Like I have a I have a webcam, and if I put it on a USB extension cable longer than a couple feet, it just like doesn't even power up. Thought it was broken at first, and then I plug it in directly and it works. Got another extension cable, same issue. Looked it up online, and that was my problem. Holy smokes. Sorry about that, guys. Oh yeah, another one of these little guys. The PDU to female. Very interesting. Into a PDU cable. I guess I need to probably do a sale on cables. I'll include it down below in the description, and it will be on, it's going to be on power supplies, cables, risers, pretty much, I guess, really everything in the power supply category or the accessories category. That's what I'll put the discount on, just so I can try to move through some of this stuff, because this is only tip of the iceberg of what I have, not only at the shop, but in my personal collection. Look at this. Oh, it's a big daddy. Let's see the output on this bad boy. 12 volts at 1.4 amps. I bet that moves some air. Tiny little wire though. Very unassuming. What is it, a Molex wire? Yeah. Oh, there we go. Found that one. And it's in there pretty good. If I can get this. Somebody who's using Molex for mining. I never suggest that. This is a horrible riser, in my opinion. For anything other than like a super low power card, you're asking for trouble over time. SATA to Molex. It's like, what bad standard do you want to use to try to push power through? All right. Oh, there's a giblet over there. Ethernet cord wrapped up in all that mess. All right, I think that's what is this? USB to, oh, micro. Okay, it's like a braided cable. Very nice, very nice. Set that over there with the other one. Yeah, I'll pull all that apart off camera, just because it's all like zip tied together and stuff. But yeah, so I guess, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming out. Really appreciate you. Hopefully y'all appreciated a chill little sit down session with your boy, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, I did want to ask, what do you guys think about me doing like a coin challenge, like hitting a certain amount of coins? Like, for example, oh, I want to hit, 1 million, of Shiba. Obviously, 1 million Shiba is only like, what, 20 bucks or something, $25. I don't even know at this point. But, or hitting, I don't know, a certain amount of coins of like I guess probably a meme coin would probably be funny, but I don't know. I was thinking about it, maybe just having like a little video series on the side about it. Maybe I won't do it. Maybe I will. Who knows? Maybe 1 billion Shiba. What's 1 billion Shiba? That'd be a lot. That may not be feasible. It's like 50 grand, 30 grand, 25 grand, something like that. I don't know. All right. Anyway, guys, peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.